Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to class 7. Today we are going to read chapter 2, The Rope, written by George Cooper. This chapter is about our belief in Allah Almighty. From a small incident, the writer wants to convey his message that we should have firm faith in Allah. His title rope has symbolic meaning. It symbolizes our connection with Allah. Allah is always with us. We should trust Allah because He is the creator of this universe. He is sympathetic to His creatures. Students, now let's read paragraph number 1. A mountain climber wanted to climb the highest mountain. He started preparing for his adventure. After years of preparation, he became sure that he was fit for climbing up the steep mountain. He decided to climb the mountain alone since he wanted the glory just for himself. Now look at the meaning of difficult words. Glory means fame, steep means of the slope almost perpendicular. In first paragraph we are told about a mountain climber who wanted to climb a mountain alone as he wanted to be famous. Now look at paragraph number 2. He started to climb, but the journey was a very slow one. He was enjoying every moment of it, not realizing that it was getting late. Instead of preparing his tent to camp, he kept climbing until it got very dark. In the darkness of the night, he couldn't see anything. He slipped and started falling down. He kept falling down the mountain at a great speed. In those moments, fear gripped him. All the good and bad episodes of his life came to his mind. All of a sudden, he felt the rope tied to his waist pulled him hard. His body was hanging in the air. He screamed, "Help me, God!" Now look at the meaning of difficult words. Grip means clutched hold. Episodes mean an event occurring as the part of series of event. Now in this paragraph we came to know that he started climbing the mountain but at a very slow speed without realizing that he would get late. Due to darkness he slipped and started falling down. He was afraid. His body was hanging in the air. He cried for help. Now look at paragraph number 3. Suddenly he heard a deep voice coming from the sky. "What do you want me to do?" the voice asked. "Save me, God," he answered. "Do you really think I can save you?" the voice asked. The man replied, "Of course, I believe you can." The voice then said, "Cut the rope tied to your waist." There was a moment of silence and then the man decided to hold on to the rope. In third paragraph we came to know that he asked for the help and he was answered. The voice asked him to cut the rope, but the mountain climber was so frightened that he decided not to cut the rope. Now look at the last page of this chapter. The next day he was found dead and frozen. He was only 10 feet away from the ground. How attached are we to our rope? That is to our ideas, possessions and way of doing things. And how strong our faith is in Allah. Allah is always there for us, knowing what is the best. So let Him do His job. Have faith and never forget that Allah is always holding our hands. What we need to keep in mind is that if we make intense supplications and the timing of the answer is delayed, do not despair of it. Allah's reply to us is guaranteed, but the way He chooses, not the way we choose, and at the moment He desires, not the moment we desire. Now look at the meaning of difficult words. Possessions means custody, ownership. Despair means hopelessness, gloom. And supplications means request. In the last page, we came to know that he was found dead and he was only 10 feet away from the ground. If he cut the rope, he would fall down on the ground safely. If he asked for Allah's help, he should have a firm belief in Him. So, the moral lesson of this chapter is that we should have firm belief in Allah. Allah is always with us. He knows what is best for us. If we pray to Him and our prayers are not answered quickly, then we should not be disappointed. He will answer us. Sometimes not in the way we want, but in the way He wants. So students, I hope you have understood what is written in this chapter. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me. Thank you.